I'm going to be covering the 3 different plans that are available at the moment on Webtalk, and I'm also going to be covering spotlight posts. Stay tuned, keep watching to find out what I'm about to say. Subscribe, click that bell notification for future videos. So I'm on the upgrade page. I will show you how to get to this in a moment, but as you can see from this, we've got 3 different plans available to Webtalk users. I must say Webtalk is a free platform and it'll always be a free platform. It's entirely up to you if you choose to upgrade at some point or just stay a free member. You'll be able to read yourself about the different features. I'm covering spotlight posts in this video, so that is the main focus. So as you can see, free plan, it don't cost you nothing. You can be a pro customer, which is $200 a year, or you can be a pro platinum, which is also at the moment $200 a year because you're getting a discount. Also, you can pay monthly if you wish to. You have 30 days to upgrade to save yourself some money. I say choice is yours. There's a 7-day free trial, so at some point at least try the 7-day free trial out and then decide if you want to upgrade. Like I say, we're focusing on spotlight posts, and I just want to scroll down to this bit here which says spotlight posts. So we're going to click on that spotlight posts. When you have something important to say, you want to make sure it's heard. Spotlight posts will help by sending both email and internal push notifications to all of your contacts all at once when you post a new update. You can also send spotlight posts to, and I can't say this word, specific groups like your friends or clients. Be heard with spotlight posts, and I will show you how to do a spotlight post later on in the video. But for now, I'm going to click off there. As you can see, as a free member, you do not have any spotlight posts. As a pro customer, you're going to get 5 spotlight posts a month, and as a pro platinum member, you're going to get 20 spotlight posts a month. Now, if you're a content creator on Webtalk, you will find after a while you're going to be using your spotlight posts more and more, and you may find 20 is not quite enough. So from here, what we'll do is just go into my Webtalk, and I'm going to show you how we use a spotlight post and what difference it makes when using a spotlight post. So we're inside my Webtalk on the newsfeed. If you scroll through the newsfeed, you do not know if someone's used a spotlight post, but I'm going to show you how you know when a spotlight has been used. But first off, when you create a post, up here to the right, as you can see, I've used one of my 20 spotlight posts for this month. The spotlight posts do not go from the first of the month to the last day in the month. They don't work like that. I think I upgraded on the 6th of the month. My spotlight posts go from the 6th right through and change back over on the 6th again. It's just something to bear in mind. And when you've created your post, all you do is click this on post, and there's your spotlight post has been sent out. Over on the right, when I send out a spotlight post, or if anyone else does, people get notifications. We'll just click on the notifications, and now what came out maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, you can now see when it's a spotlight post. So we're just going to scroll down, and as you can see here, Alfonso Davis has got a star. That shows he shared a spotlight post. But now you can recognize which are the spotlight posts and which are not the spotlight posts. Before I go on to my personal newsfeed, if you click on this hamburger, these 3 lines top right, you'll get a slide out window. And as you can see here, it says manage your premium Pro Platinum account. That is because I'm a Pro Platinum member. If you were a Pro member, it would just say Pro account. If you're a free member, it will give you an option to try the 7-day free upgrade trial. All you do is click on view plan and you can read all about the different plans. So that's how you get to the upgrade page. We're interested right now of going on my personal news feed. So for me, it's easier if I just click on my name at the top. This takes me over to my profile page. Then I click on news, which takes me to my personal newsfeed. I can see all the posts I've shared and my own posts. So we're just going to scroll through. On this first post, I didn't use Spotlight. I know because there's no star up here, top right of that post. On this post, I didn't use a spotlight. Again, no star to indicate that I did. But on this post, I just want to show you, it was just a quick one I threw up, wishing people a good Wednesday before I ran out down to the beach. And as it wasn't a spotlight post, it didn't get as much attraction. And I'm actually surprised at the attraction it did get, because it got 13 likes. Each like earns you 10 points. It got 4 comments, 2 of them comments and my replies. So 2 of them at 20 points each, and it got 2 shares at 30 points each. Now on this post, I did this post as a spotlight post. As you can see, it's indicated by a star there. Other members do not see that star, only the creator of the post does. And we're going to compare the difference between a non-spotlighted post and a spotlighted one. So we've seen the results of one that wasn't spotlighted, and on this one that was spotlighted, it got 111 likes at 10 points each time. Got 67 comments. Now some of them comments are my replies. It's 20 points per comment. You see how this adds up towards your pie slices, towards earning cash. It got 44 shares at 30 points a time. Always worth doing a spotlight post. I don't use spotlight posts for everything. On Webtalk, I create how-to videos and I use spotlights for my videos. I won't use them for a good morning. I won't use them to welcome people. I save my 20 spotlights for what I consider my bigger work, which are the videos. If you don't use them in time, you lose them. You use your 5 if you're a Pro member, or your 20 if you're a Pro Platinum member.